Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to change the time and date on your Junghans watch. So this is a Quartz watch, a German watch brand, and you have two positions when you pull the crown. The first one is to change the date. As you can see here, we have the date complication at 3 o'clock, and when you pull the crown all the way, you are going to set the time. Now, in order to set the time and date correctly, in order to know whether you are AM or PM, you need to set the date 1 day prior to the actual date that you want to set, and then go with your watch hands past 12 o'clock to see whether you are AM or PM. So let's say that I want to make it the 15th and to have 6 PM. Now I'm going to pull the crown to the first position and set the date to the 14th. You are going to hear a small click each time the date changes. Now we are going to pull the crown all the way. On this particular model, we also have the hacking, meaning that when you pull the crown all the way, the seconds hand stops. Now I'm going to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction. You always want to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction for Quartz and for mechanical watches. As you can see, I passed 12 o'clock and the date changed. So now I know that I am on the 15th and I am AM. So let's say that I want to make it 5 AM, so 5 in the morning. I would go here and push the crown all the way back in, and now I know that I am 5 AM. If I want to make it 6 PM, I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again, just like that. As you can see, we are still on the 15th, and I'm going to make it 6, just like that. So now I know that I am on the 15th and it is 6 PM. So guys, that is how you set the time and date on your Junghans Quartz watch with the date complication. Now, if you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more watch related content, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.